Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Toluwa, and as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm about to give you guys 4 ways to make your afro look very cute. This afro is about to look cute. I'm about to give you ways to make her look cute. Let's hop right into the video. Three materials. 3 things you'll be needing for this video today are your pick. You know, you gotta fluff. You gotta fluff her up. I'm a fluff her up real quick. You gotta fluff her up, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Okay, and then you'll also be needing either a rat tail comb or one of these. Depending on whichever one you are comfortable with, pick one. So this first hairstyle I really like a lot because it's very simple. Like, you can do it in like 5 seconds. So all you'll be needing is your rat tail comb or one of these. I like this one better because I don't know, it's comfortable for me. So what you're gonna do is you're going to make a part on the side of your hair. And by the way, if you see like dirt on my hair, please don't focus on it. I haven't washed my hair. It's the holidays. That's not a good thing. I'm gonna wash my hair after this video, but please don't focus on the dead part and on the flakes. Please don't focus on it. Please. Okay. What you would need to do is use your pick and make a part depending on whatever side you like. I like this side better because I don't know. It just looks better. So I'm gonna be making a part real quick and make it as straight as possible as well. So I've made my part, and all I have to do right now is just like fluff it up and just make the hair look cute, you know. That's what I'm doing now. You should have like an L. The thing I like about this hairstyle is that it gives kind of an L, and I don't know. It's just really weird to me. Like, I formed the letter L on my hair. Like, look at that. Anyways, yeah. So what I'm doing is I'm just like plumping her up. Doing this, making it cool. Okay, start. And you have number 1. You got number 1. I think that the simplest hairstyles just make your hair look even better, you know? So this is the first look. This is how she's looking. She's looking. So for number 2, we're going to be using the same we're going to be using the base of number 1, and we're just going to take this side of our hair, the part, you know how we parted the 2 thing and then split? We're going to take this part and then we're going to braid it. Yes, we're going to braid it. So let's do it. Now we're going to use the pick and we're going to fluff. The thing about all these hairstyles is just that it's very easy, and all you have to do at the end is just fluff, you know? It's not hard. You can do this even if you're late for work. You can do this if you're late for school. You can do this if you're late for an interview. Quick, simple, but cute. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just fluffing it up. And I want this end because I didn't braid all the way to the end because I wanted to blend with the rest of my afro. So I'm trying to like pick it so it blends with the afro and doesn't look very like weird and all. So this is what she's looking like. Let me give you a scenario, guys. I'm gonna give you a scenario for this hair. You know, you're walking and people see your afro and they're like, oh, it's cute, and then you turn around and then you give them cold. Your hair's about being cute, girl. Your hair's about being cute. This is number 2. This is number 2. She's looking cute. She's looking so cute. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just really inspired by this video. Okay, this is number 2. You just want to braid. If you don't know how to braid, you can twist and you can use a bobby pin to just hold it by the end. But I think that braiding is better because I didn't need a bobby pin for this because it will hold by itself. So yes, this is it. This is what she's looking like. She's so cute. So for number 3, we're gonna be doing the same thing that we did for number 2, but with a little spice and a little sauce right there. I'm sorry. I can't do. Every time I'm talking about my hair, I'm just happy. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be splitting this part into 2, basically. So yeah, let's do it. So I'm done splitting, and now we're going to braid. Basically, this style is so freaking simple. So I'm braiding this part, and I'm gonna braid this other part. And like we did for the last one, we're gonna fluff. Let's fluff. Don't you guys like this hairstyle? I don't know. I'm living. I'm living. So this is what number 3 looks like. I'm inspired. You should be too. I love my natural hair. So for the last hairstyle, this one's a little bit complicated, but I believe in you guys. If you can braid your hair, if you can twist your hair, if you have natural hair, you can definitely do this hairstyle. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using the same part. We've been using the hairstyle from number 1 to do all of these videos, and that's what I love about these hairstyles. So we're gonna use that same part, and we're gonna kind of make a box. You guys will see what I'm talking about. If that doesn't make sense, you'll see. So now that we have our box, what's that funny? Now that we have our box, we're gonna make sure that the back doesn't get in the way. So I'm like making her go all that way, and we're going to make 4 little more boxes in this little box. You'll see what I'm talking about. So y'all, this is what I mean by boxes. So you want to have like 4 individual boxes. I don't know, that's what I mean by boxes. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna braid these 2 together, and then I'm gonna braid these 2 together. So stay tuned. So I'm done braiding my crisscross hairstyle, and now all I have to do is fluff. I love these hairstyles so much, you don't even understand. Okay, so I did braid a little bit over the mark, so I'm probably gonna like remove a little bit. I was just really conscious, I didn't want it to like be bad, so I'm just gonna unbraid like twice, and yeah, then I'm gonna fluff. So this is what number 4 looks like. Crisscross, crisscross. This is the end of the video. If you guys like this video, please tell me what hairstyle you actually like. I love all the hairstyles, and if you love all the hairstyles, definitely tell me that you love all the hairstyles. Whichever one's your favorite, pick one. Tell me whichever one you like in the comment section down below or up above. I don't know. But this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think this hairstyle is like my favorite one out of all the 4. Yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.